Hey love bugs. Okay, so we're gonna start this voiceover or this video off with me styling this unit. If you're interested in all the details and all of that stuff about this video, I did do a full review on this style and review on this particular wig, so I would have that down below in the description box. So I'm not really gonna even talk about this, but this unit was sent to me by who was it sent to me by? I don't know. All that stuff be down below in the description box. I can't even remember who this unit was sent to me by. But all that will be down below in the description box for you guys' convenience. And yeah, you will see me styling it on my head in a little bit. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you guys this bonnet and stuff that was sent to me by GLEEMADE, which is a company by Just the Dragoness. I am going to go into full details at the end of the video. But right now I'm just kind of showing you guys what all came in the packaging and her card and all that stuff. But like I said, I will go into details at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. So I'm just putting the bonnet on my head right now to do my makeup. And I'm really okay. So this right here, this is a eye brush cushion thing that came in my BoxyCharm. Y'all, I am in love with it. Like, it's bomb. So I did my eyebrows with that, and then I'm going into my P. Louise base in the color number 3. And I'm just going to apply that to my lid. A lot of these products that I'm going to be using in this particular video was sent to me. I mean, not sent to me. It came out of my BoxyCharm. So, super exciting. Okay, so this Morphe palette, I'm not sure which one it is, but it also came in my BoxyCharm. Y'all, it's so pigmented. I love it. It's bomb. It may not look pigmented here, but it's just because of the color that I'm using. But it's a bomb palette. Like, I would definitely, if you don't have this palette, I would recommend it. But how you gonna get it, child, when I don't know the name of it? I don't know. I'm gonna find the name out for you, and I'm gonna put it down below in the description box, okay? Okay, so yeah, now I'm just going into a darker brown. I started with like a lighter brown color, and then I'm going into, you guys know how I do. I start light and I work my way up. And this eye color look that I did is nothing spectacular. It's just like a bronze goddess type look, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going into an even darker color. And like I said, you guys know how I do this thing. Like, I just get darker and darker and darker and darker. Like, that's what I do every time I do my eyeshadows. Okay, for my lid space, I'm going to be going into that gold type color. And I'm going to apply that. And then on the inner lid space, I'm going to go into an even lighter gold. There we go, Chrissy. All right, girl, you moving right along. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm super congested. I don't know, I kind of woke up. We slept with the fan on last night, and I feel like I can't breathe. I feel congested, so please ignore that. Okay, so now I'm going to that even darker brown, which almost looks black, but it's not quite black. I'm gonna go into that color. Oh, before I went into that color, I went into the dark brown color and kind of blended my lid space color with the shimmery color with that brown color. Yeah, I hope that made sense. You guys are watching it, like, you know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I applied my NYX liner, and then I applied my Salon Perfect 615 eyelashes, and then I applied my No Problem primer. So now I'm going into my Clinique. I am going to show you guys the bottle. I have no idea what color it is. I have no idea, but this is it. And this is a 3-in-1. And then I went into my NARS Sheer Glow. That is in the color Tahoe. I do know that color. And I just mixed those two. And now I'm using this high brush that I got from freaking Walmart. Y'all, it didn't have no price on it. You know what my grandma always said, if somebody got no price, you don't need to buy it. But I bought it. Anyways, I went into my Infallible L'Oreal concealer. But yeah, y'all, that brush was like $16. And I'm one of those people, I was like, Lord, I'm already up here. I got a line behind me. I don't want to, you know, whatever. I paid for it. So yeah, I applied that concealer. And now I'm going to my Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Blondie, and I'm going into my Black Opal foundation stick, and I'm going to use that to contour with. And then I'm going to be going into my Fit Me setting powder and setting the rest of my face. And now I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu to get rid of all of that powder. You guys know, it's like the same. I do the same thing every time. Okay, so now I'm going into my Cover FX. This also came in my Boxy Looks on BoxyCharm. And that's just some finishing powder. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it, but I want to use it, so I just put it all over my face. And then I went into that bronzer in that palette, and then I went into my NYX bronzer as well. And this eyeliner, this came out of my BoxyCharm. It's not my favorite vintage liner, but I couldn't find that, so I used it. And I'm just going to be applying some of that dark brown shadow onto my bottom lid. And I'm going to, I use those two shades that I showed you guys. I'm not sure what order I used them in. But yeah. Okay, so this is Make It Dew. Is it called? Make It Dewy by Milani. It's setting spray. You guys know I have really dry skin. I love this setting spray. It's really, really nice. I don't love it as much as my Morphe, but I'm out of my Morphe, so it's the next best thing. Okay, so now we're going to a highlighter from that Cover FX palette. And I'm just going to apply it to my face like you see. And then I'm going into a brightener from that Cover FX palette because I'm extra. And I'm going to apply that brightener to the inner corners of my eyes. And this is what I've really been wearing on my inner corners lately. I love it. And I'm going to be using my Laura Geller and applying it to my cheeks. That's blush. And y'all, the rest is going to be me showing you my outfit. That's my NYX brown liner. And I think I'm going to be wearing... But anyways, the rest is just going to be me finishing up, styling my hair. And I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit. Please stay tuned for my outfit, the slow-mos, and also more information about the company GLEEMADE by Just the Dragoness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all, that's it. Bye. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. This dress is from Fashion Nova. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me say Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. But I don't really go anywhere to actually shop these days. And when I do, my kids drive me crazy and I end up not getting anything. So yeah, this is from Fashion Nova. It's just a long dress. You guys see what Journey been writing on my mirror. It's just a long dress. Nothing spectacular about it. And yeah, I'm not showing you guys the back. I forgot to put on a half a bra, so I gotta change my bra. And so the back is showing the straps. But it's just, it looks the same in the back as it does right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have on any shoes, y'all. I'm probably just gonna wear some wedges or something. But yeah. Oh, it also has these splits on the side. And it's on either side, I think. Is it? No, it's just one split. Just one split on this side. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Fire, 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 fire.
Okay, y'all, so I just kind of want to come in here and give you guys a little quick info about the bonnet that I wore in this video. This bonnet was sent to me by GLEEMADE, and the owner of GLEEMADE is our very own Just the Dragoness. And if you don't know who Just the Dragoness is, y'all, she slays here on YouTube. I am like super proud of her. I thought it was so cool for her to be, you know, to start her own company. And, you know, she's a sister, you know. I just thought it was really cool that she started her own company. If I'm not mistaken, she does also sell wigs. But this right here, this is just some of the stuff that came in my packaging. And it says, thank you for your purchase. We know you'll love it. And it has the name of the company. Tag us in your gorgeous hair and selfie post, and we will send you a 15% off coupon code to enjoy even more Glee. And that's this right here. And y'all, and it says, thank you for being a part of the GLEEMADE family. Enjoy our all new extra large stretch bonnet. Perfect to protect your hair overnight or keep your hair out of your face while applying makeup. And it says feeling social, and then Disastrous 10. To get anything off, like when you buy from her company, if you can use my Disastrous 10 coupon code and get more GLEEMADE freebies. So what she sent me was this cool bonnet, and it has GLEEMADE on it. Y'all know us girls, us sisters, honey. We believe in our bonnets, like, yes. And she also sent me this baby hair scarf, which is so cute. I think this is so cute. So I would definitely recommend you guys checking out GLEEMADE. Definitely support our sisters. Like, we don't mind spending umpteen coins at the beauty supply store, y'all. We need to start supporting us, okay? We definitely need to start supporting us. Y'all, this thing. So, yeah, definitely check her out. I will have all the information about the bonnet and the scarf down below in my description box. Oh, I also want, did you guys see the packaging? Her packaging is so cute, y'all. The packaging is gorgeous. And also, there was a pen in here that says GLEEMADE. I think that is so cute, y'all. I done went orange. Child, I'm orange. I'm orange. There we go. We're back. But yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys checking out Jess's company. And all of that will be down below in the description box, y'all. So, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Okay? Anyways,